Next up, we have here for Michael a box of 2015 Triple Threads Baseball and a 2015 Onyx Preferred Player Autograph Baseball box. So thanks for breaking with us here. Good luck to you, and let's see what we can pull for you out of here today. All right, we'll start off with the Onyx Baseball. And the autograph going to be from Lucas Giolito. Authenticated there directly from Onyx. Hey, a nice prospect auto. Lucas Giolito. Alright, moving on now to Triple Threads. Let's see what our big hits are waiting in here. Got Randy Johnson out of 99. Bo Jackson out of 250. Miguel Cabrera, Mark McGwire, Jacoby Ellsbury. And a Bryce Harper autograph patch card. Numbered 6 of 9. Awesome. And followed up with a bat card of Josh Donaldson out of 36. Next up, Miguel Cabrera out of 125. Jose Altuve of 354. Adrian Beltre, Satchel Paige, Chipper Jones. Jersey Auto, Brandon Crawford out of 99. And a triple relic, David Ortiz, Dustin Pedroia, and Rusney Castillo. Numbered 13 of 18. All right, Red Sox Nation. Awesome break there, Michael. Enjoy those cards. Get this shipped out to you later today. Thank you.